everyone, it's Andy here again from Finlingo.com, taking a look at the CFA Total Recall app. This time we're going to take a look at the Treynor Ratio, which is sort of the evil twin of the Sharpe Ratio. So let's get down to the correct reading, which is on the phone app, 53 I think. Let's get down, where is it? There it is, Portfolio Risk and Return Part 2. And it should be underneath the Sharpe Ratio down the bottom here. And there it is. So there's the Sharpe Ratio, there's the Treynor Ratio. We must never get these things mixed up because examiners will tend to have answers which should be for the other one mixed into the answer you should pick. So let's click on the Treynor Ratio. I hope you like the icon. Took a while to find this one. Let's get into it then. So we have in the state of Southdown, Omar Gibbons from Minion Brokers is doing something with eSurgical Incorporated, and there's some other information there. So how are we going to work out the Treynor Ratio? Again, let's imagine I have no idea what that means, so go to the help. I lose a life, unfortunately, but let's not cry too much. So there's a note there, there's the equation. It's the return of the portfolio, take away the risk-free rate, divided by the beta of the portfolio this time, because it's Treynor, not Sharpe. Here's some information about why we need the Treynor Ratio, what it's good for, and then there's a worked example to help show us how to use the equation. Let's go back to the question. So what we're going to do then, the predicted return, that's 17.72%. So 17.72. We take away the risk-free rate, which is, where is it? Can't find it. Oh, there it is. Take away 2.99, and then we divide that by the beta, not the standard deviation. This isn't Sharpe, remember, so we're going to divide that by 0.6206. This looks like it's a decimal answer, so I'll just quickly divide by 100. It's usually, Treynor is usually decimalised like this. And which one of those is the closest? I think it's A, which is to 4 decimal places, 0.2374. So let's cross our fingers, press A and see what happens. Yes! Okay, so my gain bar has moved slightly to the right, my blue bar, on the way to getting the star, a bit like Elon Musk with SpaceX. There's an explanation there about how we calculated, how the system calculated the answer for us. So let's go to the next question. Let's do one more of these. This time I won't use any help, just one more time. Expected return is 10.26. Let's take away the risk-free rate in the question, which is 2.25 in the text. And divide by, nearly exactly 8, not quite exactly 8. Divide by, again, all these numbers are randomly generated within sensible ranges for every single question, so you never get the same question twice. Divided by 0.6309. Again, the answers are decimalised, so I need to divide by 100. In the exam, of course, you do that in your head, but let's just do it properly here. 129696. My calculator set for 5 decimal places, answers to 4. I think it's A. Again, cross fingers, press the button. Yes! On the way to a star. Fantastic. There's the answer and the calculation and the equation. And again, it's amazing how quick these things burn into your brain with this phone app, the CFA Total Recall app. If the numbers change but the equation stays the same, your brain, your pattern matching engine in your brain just picks up on the pattern, the equation, the thing you need to know, and just forgets about the information which keeps changing. So anyhow, that is how the Treynor Ratio is calculated on the CFA Total Recall app from Finlingo. My name's Andy Duncan. I'll see you next time.